So, to add a camera shake effect, it's best to first add a video by clicking on the blue plus sign. Next, we go to the Effects tab. And we write camera shake, that is camera shake. Here we choose anyone we like. Select the specific video segment where it should be carefully applied. We can also edit its range, meaning the amplitude of the movement and the speed of the oscillations. We can also change its duration. We can cut out a specific moment so that at some point the video doesn't have the shake, or so that the shake is only at one specific moment in the video.